Okay, one thing you'll notice with this vehicle is it is fitted with a Tough Dog upper control arm. And you may ask, is it an essential item? Why is it needed? The answer to that question is that by fitting a Tough Dog upper control arm, it allows us to align the vehicle within a larger window. You'll notice what we've done here is we've actually taken the upper ball joint and slightly pushed it backwards in order to give the vehicle more caster. And this is something that works really well for a vehicle that's towing heavy loads, where the back of the car may come down and push the front of the car up, and this generally takes caster away from the vehicle. And the idea of the Tough Dog upper control arm is to be able to push the wheel forward, give it more caster, and the camber setting in the top of the ball joint is all preset, it cannot move.